Hello. Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. Now we are doing revision. Then today we will start the revision of chapter 8 equations. In this chapter equations, what is the meaning of equation? Any sentences that कंटेन्स इक्वल साइन, कोई भी ऐसा सेंटेंस हो, कोई भी ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन है जिसके बीच में इक्वल साइन कंटेन होता है, इट मीन्स दैट इज कॉल्ड इक्वेशन. वी कैन से एनी इक्वेशन हैव टू साइड, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, राइट हैंड साइड, एंड इट कंटेन्स इक्वल साइन. इन दिस सी सोल्विंग इक्वेशन, कोई भी इक्वेशन है, सपोज वी आर राइटिंग 5 plus 9 is equal to 5 plus n is equal to 9. This is equation. We can solve. What is the meaning of solution here? It means we are finding the value of unknown variable. जो भी हमारे पास unknown variable होगा उसकी value find out करना. ये क्या होता है? Solution and root of the equation. Then mentally if we are solving, कि 5 में क्या ऐड किया जाए, what should be added to 5 that becomes 9. So we know that if 5 plus we put 4 here, then 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Then your left hand side and right hand side becomes equal. So it means what is the solution and root of this equation? That is n is equal to 4. In this is solving mentally by inspection. Examples more. P minus 4 is equal to 6. What? We will take the value of P, that we subtract 4 from it, then it becomes equal to 6. So we know 10 minus 4 if I do, then it becomes 6. It means P is equal to 10 is the solution of this equation, or we can say P is equal to 10 is the root of this equation. Similarly, suppose I write down P by 2 is equal to 3. Then what should be the value of P here? Then we can take 6 by 2 is equal to 3. That your LHS side and RHS side becomes equal. It means P is equal to 6 is the solution of this equation. Similarly, if I write down 2P is equal to 10, then what will be the value of P? The value of P is equal to 5. It becomes 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. 2 5s are 10. Then we can say P is equal to 5 is the solution of this equation. So this is the solve by mentally inspection. In this book, it is given to you, test your understanding. It means some questions given to you, solve it, and then you understand or not these type of problems you can see there. Now the next method is solving equation by using inverse operation. Any operation and inverse operation. Operations, mathematical operations, plus, minus, multiplication, division. Inverse operation of it, minus, plus, division, multiplication. What is the use of these operation here? See, suppose I write down P plus 4 is equal to 10. P plus 4 is equal to 10. So then see, whenever we have addition in the equation, then we will use the inverse operation, subtraction. It means जो हमारे पास unknown variable है उसके साथ में अगर हमारे पास addition operation है, तो बाय रिमूविंग इट, बाय एलिमिनेटिंग इट, इसको एलिमिनेट करने के लिए, इसको रिमूव करने के लिए we will use the inverse operation, that is subtraction. So what we will do? Subtract the same value which have in the addition, we will do subtract. Or whenever we are performing any operation to any side of an equation, then same operation we will apply in the next side of the operation also. So see, this cancel out, and remaining p, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So by using inverse operation, we will get the solution of unknown variable. It means p is equal to 6 is the root of this equation. Similarly, see, suppose it is given to you t minus 7 is equal to 3. Now, with this unknown variable, there is inverse operation of subtraction. Sorry, operation of subtraction. Then what is the inverse operation of subtraction? Addition. Then we will add 7 both sides. Then it become cancel out t, and 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Now similarly, suppose we are taking 2t is equal to 12. So here operation is multiplication, then inverse operation is division. Then divide by the same number both sides. Then this cancel out, remaining only t, then 2 6 are 12. Similarly, if we want to see in division, that is t by 5 is equal to 2. Now your operation is division, then inverse operation is multiplication, then multiply by the same number, then cancel out, t is equal to 2 5s are 10. So this type we will apply the inverse operation for solving any equation. Now see your exercise 8a. Write an equation for each of the following. You need not solve them. तुम्हें इन्हें solve करने की requirement नहीं है. कोई statement given है, तुम्हें सिर्फ उसका equation बनाना है. See here, 12 less than a number, 12 less than a number equals 20. Equals 20. 12 less than a number. We don't know about the number, so we take let a number is equal to x. Now according to question, लेस देन ए नंबर, इट मीन्स किसी नंबर के अंदर अगर 12 लेस कर दिया जाए, x माइनस 12, लेस देन मीन्स वी विल यूज द सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन, इक्वल्स मीन्स इक्वल साइन 20. देन our equation is this one. See next one, the quotient of b and 7, the quotient of b and 7 equals 4. Equals 4. क्वोशिएंट का मीन्स होता है डिवीजन से. इट मीन्स फर्स्ट वन बिकम्स न्यूमरेटर, सेकेंड वन बिकम्स डिनोमिनेटर. और यू कैन राइट डाउन लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, b डिवाइड बाय 7 इक्वल्स 4. और यू कैन राइट डाउन दिस ऑल्सो, b अपॉन 7 इज इक्वल टू 4. सो दिस इज आवर इक्वेशन, रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन. Now see the next statement. A girl is X year old. Her father is 5 more than 2 times her age. The sum of their ages is 50 years. A girl is X year old. We want to make the equation for it. A girl is X year old. Then the age of girl is equal to X year. Father says is equal to 5 more than 2 times her age. Her age means X. 2 times means 2 multiplied by X. 5 more than, it means something we will do add plus 5. Then it becomes 2x plus 5 year. So, age of girl is X year, father age is 2x plus 5 year. Sum of their ages is equal to 50 year. It means according to question, sum of their ages, add both ages, x plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 50. Then it becomes like terms, 3x plus 5 is equal to 50. So, your final equation becomes 3x plus 5 is equal to 50. You can solve it and you can find out the value of x. Suppose we want to find out the value of x by inverse operation. In this equation, I want to solve this equation by inverse operation. Then how will I solve? Firstly, see with variable 3x, here is addition operation. So, for eliminating it, we will use subtraction operation and we will subtract 5 from both sides. 3x is equal to 45, x is equal to 45, sorry 3x is equal to 45. Now, here operation is multiplication, then we will apply the division operation. Then this become x and this is equal to 15 year. So, x value 15, then what is the father says? 15 to the 30, 30 plus this 35 and 35 plus 15 is equal to 50. It means this result satisfying our equation. So, this one is correct. So, from this complete, firstly we will make an equation, then after we find out the solution of the equation. Okay student, in this PT first you attempt your question directly, but now whenever exam will be held, then firstly you will solve MCQs, true and false, everything solve properly and then write down your answer properly. And 1 marks question, 2 marks question, these questions do solve with proper explanation also. So, next time your sheet should be clear with neat and clean writing also, and your work should be in proper manner. Okay student, now see Next question, some equations are given to you and you have to solve these equations. It means you have to find out the solution and root of these equations. This one we will solve in our next lecture, and now try to do your exercise, revise your exercise 8A. Thank you student, have a nice day.